Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Malayalam text in CapCut. So all you have to do is before you open your CapCut, you can try to close or shut down the CapCut and go to the Google Chrome, and here you can try to search Malayalam font on some sources in the internet here. So you can download the font in Chrome, so you can use any sources here that can be downloaded. After you download it, you can install on your mobile phone. Then after successful install on your phone, you can try to open CapCut and open the projects that you want to add the fonts, and you can add tags. Here you can tap add fonts and you can add Malayalam fonts on here. You can tap plus button to install Malayalam fonts on CapCut. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.